Klaus Schwab states that XRP will be our future global payment currency. XRP is not coming slow, and there is another statement about it. Let me tell you what it is. XRP will be the future global payment currency. Yes, that's right. The future global payment currency. Guys, that is the statement of the founder of the World Economic Forum, Klaus Schwab. And this statement is really making every single one of us get our heads into Ripple's XRP. Now, how is this going to happen? Stick around for that. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we give you information about investing in crypto. Please like and subscribe if you are new here to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. At the end of this video, you will have an idea about how the Great Reset will influence our future global payment system, and what will happen to the Ripple after the Great Reset. Is XRP going to explode? And more importantly, what is this Great Reset that's going to raise the value of XRP? So let's get started. If you are not new here, then you obviously know about XRP. But if you are, then here's a little what is the XRP session for you. All you need to know about XRP. To understand this video, it's vital to understand exactly what Ripple XRP is and why it differs from the majority of other cryptos on the market. XRP is a cryptocurrency, or you can say that it is a digital money that is used to deal with buying and selling digitally in an anonymous way. It has no record like our money that has a number issued by the government. XRP is the stock name for Ripple. Ripple was first launched in 2012, 3 years after Bitcoin, as OpenCoin, and Ripple Labs is the American-based software company who developed the XRP. Why XRP? XRP has many unique features that not even the Bitcoin is offering. XRP can be directly transmitted without an intermediary, and hence becoming a useful resource for quick and effective bridge between two currencies. XRP's key goal is to be a monetary trade mediator. The XRP ledger uses distributed ledger technology rather than blockchain technology to support the transfer of tokens that represent fiat currency, cryptocurrency, or any other unit of value. Since the protocol is totally accessible, it can be used by anyone without prior Ripple Labs permission. This enables banks and non-bank players with their own networks to implement the Ripple protocol. When it comes to transaction fees, Ripple is practically free, because the standard cost to make a transfer is just 0.00001 XRP. Isn't that interesting? But guys, right now XRP is under a lawsuit alleged by the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. But Ripple is most likely to win this case. And if the Ripple wins this case, which has more chances and we are hoping so, then the value of XRP is going to be shocking, because Ripple does have some plans. So, as you guys now have a good idea about what Ripple is, let's move to Mr. Klaus, who said a very big statement about Ripple's XRP. So guys, this Mr. Klaus Schwab is the founder and executive chairman of the World Economic Forum, or WEF. The World Economic Forum is an international organization that engages the foremost political, business, cultural, and other leaders of society to shape global, regional, and industrial agendas. Now there arises a question that why is the global, regional, and industrial agenda setting organization is talking about the XRP? Guys, now comes another thing that is going to be new for the most of you. The Great Reset. Those of you who know about this reset are surely developing a keen interest. The Great Reset. The founder of World Economic Forum, Klaus Schwab, and the British Prince Charles made some economic policies that are attempting to use the recovery from the coronavirus to build a better, sustainable world. These policies are named the Great Reset. This initiative was generated as a result of the assessment that the world economy is in deep trouble. According to Klaus Schwab, the bad economy situation is worsened by the pandemic, and to restore the economy, a Great Reset is needed. Next comes how this Great Reset and the XRP are going to be in relation. The Reset, XRP, and the future of global systems. Again, a how question has arrived here. So guys, this reset requires a fintech, or the financial technology, whose purpose should be to connect underbanked and unbanked countries or populations to digital economy that will contribute to small businesses for social and economic benefits. It improves the small business groups in many different ways, and Ripple's XRP is a fintech, and the World Economic Forum has also called it a fintech. Now can you guess what that will mean for XRP? According to the World Economic Forum, the government agencies and the central banks are looking at the potential of central bank digital currency to solve perennial global financial issues, such as financial inclusion and the stability of payment systems. They have named Ripple's XRP as the most relevant cryptocurrency in the emerging CBDC space for inter and intra-bank payments and settlements. XRP. worldwide payment currency. Ripple, who is behind the XRP, is working on fast, instant, reliable, and cost-effective cross-border real-time payments and other activities related to the money transmission using XRP. Ripple is also the stakeholder with 10% of the shares with MoneyGram. MoneyGram is a money transfer giant as a strategic move to help customers to switch to RippleNet easily and to leverage ODL, on-demand liquidity. Ripple has a growing network of more than 300 customers and financial institutions like American Express, PNC, Yes Bank, Axis Bank, and more, and also payment providers for global payments and service delivery. Now small companies are looking for such services as the ones offered by Ripple to make a global presence and enter new markets and improve customer experience. And secondly, Ripple has also consistently been collaborating with a commitment of $50 million with prominent universities around the world to assist and accelerate academic research, technical development, and innovation in blockchain, cryptocurrency, and digital payments. They are really deep in the game, don't you guys think? The coming years will bring a tremendous rise in financial transactions through RippleNet, as the adoption of digital asset and blockchain technology in mobile wallets and apps will become more mainstream as they look to expand their services to keep up with customer demand and compete with digital banks. The Great Reset is going to explode the XRP. The Great Reset, or the XRP lawsuit, XRP is really going to explode after both of them. The most crucial question that everybody is asking is, will XRP explode or not? If yes, then when can we see this happen? That is why I will share with you the expert opinion on this matter. Ripple Labs, or XRP, has been listed as a partner by World Economic Forum. The experts say that, as for forecasting the XRP, the experts are quite optimistic. First of all, this attitude is caused by CEO of Ripple Labs, Brad Garlinghouse. He believes that Ripple can develop to Amazon's scale by 2025. The company's CEO has already become famous as one who makes cautious but correct predictions. For instance, in 2018, Brad recalled that XRP is a long-term investment. Garlinghouse also pointed out how important it is to partner with world governments and major banks to develop the Ripple network. Quite possibly, the CEO of Ripple Labs knows much more than the average trader. After all, XRP confidently held on to the bear markets when many other projects openly failed. There are other signs that the XRP has a bright future in 2021. At the end of August 2020, Flare Network, a trusted partner of Ripple, announced the construction of a reliable two-way bridge to the Ethereum network. This will allow applications built on the Ethereum blockchain to access the XRP ledger and vice versa. By integrating Ethereum smart contracts with Ripple, the Flare network will improve crypto functionality, which could potentially increase the demand for XRP. Also, rating agency Moody's, a report that spoke about the accelerated development of blockchain technology in 2021. This is quite capable of increasing the demand for XRP, as well as its value. It is also worth considering that Ripple regularly enters into partnership agreements with large banks and financial conglomerates. Therefore, many experts agree that XRP will break the $2 mark in 2021. XRP price predictions after the Great Reset. According to the expert claims, the value of XRP will go up to $200 or $300 range within 10 years. They also suggest that Ripple would be benefited since the price surge of XRP will also trigger less volatility. The online content reads, experts agree about the notion that the network's popularity, well-built platform, worldwide investing interests, and penetration in the media and mainstream society. Ripple is bound to grow in the short, medium, and long term. If this happens, it will be truly mind-blowing. But whatever the case, XRP has a bright future despite some of the high and lows it has seen over a period of time. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. After listening to the video about the Great Reset and XRP explosion, what do you guys think of investing in XRP? Let us know in the comments section. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And thanks for watching.